Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about how to create M repository in Linux. Before start we should know about what is M. M stands for LO Updater Modified. It is an open source command line as well as graphical based package management tool for RPM. RPM which is Red Hat Package Manager based Linux system. It allows user to easily install, update, remove or search software package on a system. It was developed and released by SEC under the GPL, which is General Public License. Okay, now we will start. For that, I have to mount ISO image here. So we will check first of all the EF-EH is not there. So we will mount the ISO image like VM setting, and we will go to the CD and DVD SATA drive connected. We'll select the ISO image file from here. So where is my ISO image file? Nitesh ISO image Red Hat 6.9. Okay, so we will mount this one. Look guys, it is mounted. So I have to copy the package directory from ISO image and I have to put in the my system. So for that I have to make one directory in this system mkdir repo data. I will create one directory as repo data in the slash, and I will copy the from media rcl package to the repo data. So we will check how to copy cprv. Okay, so now it is copied. It will take some time, so we will pause and we will move to the ahead. Okay. Okay, now it is copied. We will check in our directory. Okay, now it is copied. We will check in our directory. So we will go to the slash repo data. Okay, now we will go in the package directory and we will install three packages. So for that I have to put the command rpm -ivh and then create repo. So for this directory I have to install the python delta rpm package. So same I will put python delta rpm. Look again, for python delta rpm package I have to install, to before I have to install delta rpm. So now I will put again same command delta rpm, then install. Now it is installing. Look, delta rpm installed. Then we will install the python delta rpm. Now look, this also is installed. Then we will install create repo rpm package. Okay, so these three packages we need to install before creating the m repository. Okay, now we will go to the directory where is we have to create one new file. So we will go /etc slash m dot repos d and we will enter here. So now we will create one file here which name is vim command vim em.repo. Repo is the extension of this repository files. Okay, so we have to create and we have to put some name. We will put em. Okay, then name equal em.repo, then base url equal file colon // then repo data. Okay, repo data where it is the packet directory. Okay, then enable equal 1, then gpg check equal 0, then save the file. Okay, then we will give the permission to this file, which is chmod 775 em.repo. Okay, now we given the permission to this file. Okay, now we will go to the repo data and enter the command create repo slash repo data. Okay, now the string working with 0 to 3854 package. So after completing, we completed our task. So let's wait for the some time. It is very simple to create a M repository in Linux based system. Guys, if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you didn't like this video, please click on the unlike button and put a comment on the comment box. And please subscribe our channel to watch more videos. Now guys, it is completed. So now we will check our report data is created or not. Okay, so we will click on look here, report data is created. So we will clean clean all. We'll put the command clean all. It will clear the all repository, and then we will check the repo list. Look, 3854 packages is updated. Okay, now we can install any packages from here. So how we will install? Install like bind. Look, the package is going to install, will be installed. Okay, yes. After creating M repository, you can install any package like that the same, or you can update the package also like same M update bind. There is no update. Okay, no package for the update. Or you can remove the package like that same remove M remove command bind. So now it is going to remove. So guys, this is the very simple process to install M repository in our Linux based system and install the package. Install the all packages in our uh, and install the all packages in our Linux system. So what is different between RPM package and YAM packages? In RPM, if you want to install an application X Apache, RPM need to install all package required for the application. This package may vary from one RPM, several RPMs, dependencies or shared RPM package. In yum install an application with single command X yum install HTTPD. Second, RPM package dependencies is though, but in yum resolve all dependencies with is. Third, in RPM, batch installation or application is possible with one command. In yum command can install number of application in one single command. Example, yum install httpd httpd vsftpd. Fourth, RPM cannot handle update software installed automatically. In yum, does yum install update of existing packet by using yum install upgrade. Fifth, RPM cannot connect to online repository. In yum, can connect to online repository to get latest software before installing the application. So guys, this is all for the AM repository today. If you like this video, please click on the like button, and if you don't like this video, please click on the unlike button and put a comment on comment box. And please subscribe our channel to watch more videos and click on bell icon. Thank you.